5 reasons why dropshipping from China is stupid. Number 1. You'll be amongst the many bloodsuckers that'll sell grandma for a quick buck. You'll build some God-forbidden Shopify store, hoping, praying that some fool will part with their cash. You won't see them as a paying customer. No, not you. You see a sucker. Yeah, a sucker. You can't believe she paid $30 for your $2 piece of crap from China. Boy, you really screwed her. But you say all the YouTube stars teach this method in their $997 course. Quickly you learn the gurus lied and you're failing. Number 2. Reality hits. You all have the same suppliers, and the same awful product images, poorly written descriptions, and the shipping. Oh, the shipping. Shipping takes 15 to 30 days. At best. If you're lucky. Some never receive their crap at all. Then your customers get pissed, so you lie. You hate these unruly customers. The nerve of them. Who do they think they are? It's your money now. What more do they want? The gall of them. Constantly emailing you. If only they knew. You're long gone and they're quickly forgotten. But then, finally, after all this waiting, it arrives. You open it. Then, and only then, it hits you. You've been had. But, why me, you ask? And the sleazeball ask, why not you? Nothing worse than receiving junk mail. Your hard-earned cash has escaped your grasp. Yes, we have a winner in the race to the bottom. Number 3. No repeat customers. That's right. Who wants to be ripped off twice? Selling cheap clothes, knockoff watches, and cheesy jewelry is stupid and should be illegal. Number 4. China's got no numbers to call. You'll have poorly sourced materials and plenty angry customers. Number 5. Some products from China can be deadly. These Chinese sweatshops don't care about you. They'll sell cosmetics filled with lead and poisons. Then your face is ruined for life. There's no quality control. Buyer beware. Who you gonna call? Avoid China's thrift store AliExpress. Although all the YouTube elite will state otherwise. There's tens of thousands of these videos on YouTube. Avoid at all cost. You have been warned. The next life you save may be your own. Now here's a fast, easy solution. Because you must escape the China madness gripping America. Deal with trusted US-based suppliers. You need quality products and quick shipping times. We can help. We offer only US distributors and manufacturers. You'll get higher margins, better quality products, and great pricing. Now's the time to get started. Holidays are near. If you're interested, call us at 866-848-6935 extension 402. Or visit our website dropshipwholesalepros.com. The link is in the description. See you on the inside.